another Solvent.Life signal stream. If it's your first time joining, what we do here is we trade acting on the signals that come to us through our channel, our chat. So every day we get around 5 or 6 signals, each that we have a 95% or more sort of confidence that it will be a successful trade. And on the stream, we'll just be showing you all of them in action, live happening on the charts. So we started with 11K on this account. We've got the US 30 trade just coming in as we speak. Let's set that up. Just waiting for the signal to come in. I will show you the image recognition and the predictive functionality of the software just in between each signal, but we do have to be on standby here, so give it a second. This is how we've been performing. Let's see, let's try and set a goal for ourselves today. Let's try and make $700 today. What I'm gonna do by myself is just get a chart recognition going here. So we're gonna say, this is the US 30, give me a trade setup for scalping this in a 1 minute time frame, and it should have a 7 out of 10 or more rating for likelihood to be successful. Well, we've got the official signal here anyways, it's a buy. To 42,200. Got the signal 40. And yeah, there we go. So we're in the trade. So it said enter at 42,200. We were a little bit late. Um, and exit at 42,240. Let's add our stop loss. So we're up $100 already. Oh, it already hit our take profit. Okay. Nice. That's the first trade today. Successful. Nice. We've got another one that says
Spring's here and London's buzzing again. From outdoor festivals to packed pubs, Free now makes getting around easy with fast.
so the yeah. First trade of today on the stream has been successful. So the reason, I've enlarged the camera here because I want to show you what I'm talking about. This is what you would be receiving. So here are the messages. It says ready US 30, exactly what stock. Prepares you, and then here's the screenshot directly from the GPT. It gives you entry and exit. So we've quickly scalped about $160 there. So looking good so far. Could have gotten more out of it, but we were quite late into it. So it did say enter in at 42,200, which was down here. It just went all the way up. I think we got in 42,217. It's still not bad. We were on pretty low volume, like I think 1/7 of the account. I think this gives you a better indication of how the trade went. So 42,200 went up, and it's just plummeted down, but I like to use the Heikin-Ashi here. We're ready again for another US 30 trade. And for the sake of consistency as well, the GPT over here on the right, which is the sort of back end sort of brains of the whole operation, um, we asked it for the US 30 trade, just before we received it on the official channel, and it's also said to buy. First target 42,250. But we have another US 31 coming in. Let's try and preemptively see what it will say. Download image of the chart, copy, paste is US 30. Give me trade setup for 1 minute chart. If you guys have any questions, any companies that you're looking at to invest in, or if you want to know which stocks you should scalp on a daily basis, just pop them in the chat and I'll have a look. Just feel free to do so. Looks like there's another buy opportunity. But that would be a pre-order. Let's just see how long it takes for us to grow this account to 50k. I mean, we've already made 3k in 1 week, so shouldn't take too long. We're monitoring for a potential reversal. That's the update. Hope everyone's doing well. What do you guys think of the music? Do you guys like jazz? Perhaps something a little bit more upbeat. I think we're gonna see a reversal here. I'm gonna actually act on this. Okay. Got a buy. Yep. The exact same trade has just come through. 2,240. So we put a pre-order in here at 42,210. If there is a reversal. It looks like it's just crashing down at the moment. So we're not actually entering on anything here yet. But from our ledger, you can just see it's pretty good. Um, what we had on Monday, 48, 400, 287, 320, 102, relatively consistent there. So we've set a pre-order 42,210, exit at 42,240. We've just been told to abolish the trade because the market hasn't reached that point when we sort of anticipated and predicted. So we've just abolished the trade, but that's okay. That's what we want. We want to know when to pull out of trades and when to stay in them in order to maximize our profits. So here are the messages that I'm getting for some more transparency. So that was the second ready US 30, and then in came the exact same trade that's recommended on the GPT when we asked it. Pure order set and then trade abolish. Luckily it didn't hit our entry. A lot of selling pressure at the moment. Again, if you want to know more about these signals and how you can actually gain full access to it, because we only stream Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays for these signals, and the sort of market open trades are the ones that we actually display here. So we have ones pre-market that perform extremely well. So there's only about 5 that we show here, but there's about 7 on the signals channel. So if you want to know more about that and how you can gain full access, there's a link down below to sign up with Calendly. It's very simple to sign up, but we have our US 500 trade coming in soon. Look at the US 30 though. Wow. Sheesh. Okay. We're ready on the US 500. And again, for entertainment's sake, let's put our bets in. Just kidding. Yeah, I was just thinking maybe we could do like a fun thing, just see where everyone wants to enter and exit their trades. Oh, we've received the signals. Before that, we've got sell. To exit 5875. It says it's to enter 5882, which we're not quite at yet. Sheesh. Let's try find a trade for the US 30. So we're still on this US 500 trade. A lot of selling pressure. Got another US 500 trade coming in. Could buy on the US 30 as well. Very, very volatile on the US 30. I think we'll wait. We'll wait for a clear indication. But US 500 looks pretty good. wanted to neutralize that trade because it was taking a while. Um, and that last signal was from a long time ago, so we'll move on, we'll move on. But the second one that I was talking about, the US 500 second signal, is coming soon. US 500, let's have a look. What do you have for today, US 500? We've got a pre-order for a buy at 588. Great number. To exit at 5894. Let's go for, yeah, 60 contract sounds good. One minute time frame, bearish 70, but 5 minute time frame. So that bearish momentum looks like it's changing, slowly decreasing. Hence why we've put in a pre-order. To the ceiling, not to the ground. Okay, we're in. We've hit our pre-order. Okay. Let's see, and we're exiting at 5894 up here. Yeah, looks like it could be a very good trade. There's a second take profit of 5,900 as well. It gives us ever more confidence. So, gold looks pretty good for scalping. This is a chart of XAU USD. Give me a trade setup for a 1 minute scalp. Have some patience here for this trade. Got a buy on gold as well. 3193.75. 3,200. Huh. Let's see how likely this is. Here, I'll stop loss, that's fine. Let's try the gold trade. Let's try this gold trade that we have here. I'd rate it a 6 out of 10 now. Okay. Because the rating's gone down, we're going to back out of that one. Not much opportunity today. Pound to US dollar, maybe? That could be a good one. I mean, considering the trade agreements. Let's see. Let's see. Hmm. Interesting. Let's try another one. Another picture. Yeah, there's a lot of volatility today and not much trend. So I mean, $100 today. Not exactly happy with it, but you get those days. We'll see if we can get in on this one. got a US 30 trade. US 30 trade just came in for standby. Can all sit back down. There we go. So we got enter in at 42,200. Take profit at 42,200. Let's do 230. What the heck is going on? We're also entered into the pound US dollar one. Or sell.
Feel I may y'all break. For the knockins, when I in the whole truly, wanna browse the romances, citizen.
we've got some trades here that are still active. These were both pre-orders, and we're gonna have to end the stream here. But I mean, yeah, these will come down. These will hit the take profits. It's fine. Yeah, US 30 is already moving upwards, and pound to US dollars moving downwards. It's kind of consolidating at the moment, but it'll be fine. I mean, we'll see how it goes throughout the day, and I'll report back on Friday. So yeah, that will be at 9:30 a.m. Eastern time, and so market open, and it will last for about an hour. But we'll be back then. Do tune in and see how our trades perform. Let's see, just a quick recap for today. Our first trade was up $164. We neutralized on the second trade, and the last trade we lucked out. So very volatile. The market lacks a trend at the moment, so it's not great, but overall this week has been looking good. So we'll see. And yesterday was a very good day for us as well. Every trade was a successful one. So thank you very much for tuning in, guys.